Not dog. Oh, no. Well, Dream Team one team, Dream Team one team. Blessed love to all, blessed love to all. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I want to thank you so much, you know, everyone, especially when I big up Kenya, you know, and the whole of Africa. So blessings to all, and thank each and every one of the new subscribers them that here, you know, from Chris and also D, and from anywhere you are. I just want to thank you so much. So I'm back in Churnstown again today. We're gonna kind of do a quick work, you know, because remember guys, Wow Chef is the project that we're gonna work on, you know. Wow Chef is the project that we're gonna work on. So as I said, natural is not free. We can give like all the days and that he can, and done a project. So at this moment now, you know, remember we have scanner in the mix. You know, scanner is a quick thing. We just clean out in there and paint and give him a door. So that's what we're gonna try and do today. You know, like how it's a quick thing. You know, we're gonna try and give him a make the door for him today. Just to lick out the wall and give him a door, and then get the ladies them to clean out in there, and they will do some painting, you know, and just get him a bed and anything we can get, you know, and get that out the way so we can attack Wow Chef thing. That Wow Chef is the main project, you know. So this now is the quick fix. You know, when I say quick fix, it's very quick, you know. So thank you so much for supporting our action. Please, if you can support Wow Chef on his journey for his project, you know, so we can get all the materials as well too. And also, if I'm asking for any help for scanner as well too, for what we're gonna do. So please stay tuned, you know, the journey continue. You know, blessings to all. Just we're gonna do a donation as well too from MBP. Yeah, MBP from the UK. 2,000 here for you. From MBP.
Yeah, MBP. Yeah. This comes up here.
So definitely I need a fan too.
Last night it dead.
Last night it dead?
Yeah.
So this is that work with? How this is that work with?
Yeah. When it spin, it comes like an ice.
Eh?
Like an ice breezer from it. And it spin, it's like an ice.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Somewhere anywhere else. We don't have on that side.
Yes, perfect. Okay, now another thing. Max, you come up peace for them people them want. Boom down the mic. Jenna, strolling. Whoa, you know. Boom down the mic. Prefect there. Whoa there. Jenna there, Mother Teresa, Light Parks there, Esther Bowman Ball there, and Knoxford. And Scanner, come here, Scanner. Scanner is here. Yeah, what the gas there? Okay. Yeah, good care. And we have Scanner.
Yeah.
So this is Scanner, you know, for all the new viewers, them on the subscriber, this is Scanner. we were gonna renovate this place, get a quick fix. Cause I remember we said Ocean project is the main project, but with scanner now, you know, it's a quick and fast. We can clean up inside.
Not a week.
Not a week, so for sure they want to go on inside. You know, so basically this is scanner door, but you know, so from this entry, there's nothing cannot go inside from this entry. So this is the look of inside of scanner house. So this is the reason why, because only have one room here. You know, there's not enough space for anything here because it only is a one room we have, and we cannot put on a bathroom because space is limited. So this is how it is, you know, just a one room, and this room now is like they call it now, this is the tenement yard kitchens, you know, because there's more than one. So what they do, they kind of clear off the columns, you know, and put a bed inside, you know, and that is it. You know, this is where two space is kind of limited in terms of, so these are the kitchen house where people literally just capture and just put a bed inside it, and that's it. So with this door we kind of have right here, so if we to bring in a bed or anything, it cannot go inside because of the closage of the passage from this way and also from this tight space. So nothing cannot come in. So we're gonna make a door, you know, on that side, you know, where we can take out bed or take out anything we can take out from there, you know. So okay. So Scanner now is been on a program, you know, for most of you never know, who is recovering from a stroke, you know, he's recovering from a stroke. So actually this is Scanner, is recovering from a stroke. He's a man that been on a program where he almost give up in life and thing, and decided to say, oh, you know, we help him out and the situation been changed. So the fact that how it is now, we decided to want to give him a renovation, you know, make him more comfortable and have more hope and faith, you know. So we have to give thanks to the extended family that they reach out, as well to, you know, big up to Celia, as well to that they reach out, send donation to us helping his cause. So here we're working with the donation we get from our extended family from the earlier previous times, you know, because the donation they put down. So this is what we're going to work with now, with what we got. So I'm just asking to kindly support if anyone want to buy my bed. You know, if anyone want to buy my bed, you know, I can put a TV on his wall. You know, 'cause I want to put a TV on his wall, and I want to get rid of this bed because this bed is not, it's been here for years, as you can see the condition of this bed. You know, so this is not really a bed really, you know. So if anyone can kindly support him to buy my bed, you know, we can put a TV on his wall. You know, this is his condition. You know, he's a man that recovered from three strokes. You know, 3 strokes. So I'm gonna put up a video there where you can see where he's coming from, you know, to where he is now. So you're gonna see a previous video of where he was coming from and how bad he was sick. So
I'm tired with all of
the natural coconut time.
Wild on the night.
Natural, everything that you get natural.
Every time I get some real cringe if you get some oil out type that boat.
Yeah, listen, man.
Bend up one, you know, like bend up coconut and dry up and really look like it's not good, but it's really
Alright.
proper than
Well, man, like you know your stuff, so you're easier to deal with more than someone's in the car.
someone's are frowns when
when we take certain things, them, man. You know what, well,
killer energy.
killer bean, man. It's a killer bean, them the board, no.
Life being me, I say.
And then, you know, life, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
so very positive, you know.
No, we not that energy that we look for. Once you have that energy there, and the energy that we work with.
Yeah.
Because I know one, it just one thing, no mineral fat, a strength by the goodie.
Yeah.
Build back as me say cells and tissue.
Yeah.
If you not eat food, I make blood, you know.
True.
The life now go produce without blood. So the blood is what? Is the life.
Yeah.
And once you feed the blood, you have feed what? The life. So the body will melt back cells. Or make create back cells and the cells I will do them work. Because cells are the work, man. So we have to eat some blood food there now. And blood food will create back the stem cells there. And the stem cells them now deal with in bone marrow, in plasma, strengthen back the bone them, tissue, and give that energy there. And again, the eyesight. But the doctor said, she look my eyesight, the eye look away. I said, but me see the eye look strong, man. The eye them firm. Yeah, man, cause you see life in the eye there.
Yeah, come put more life in the eye.
They don't say go energy to energy, man. Cosmic energy, the energy, you know. When we go and touch our ones, you know, pass and current. When you touch our one, you know.
Natural.
When you talk about social distance, we know that. If you don't deal with social distance, I wouldn't touch you.
No.
You understand me? Because
ice life.
we are high slab, we are current being, electrical being. So current pass from one stage to one. Man sharp man, man sharp man, iron sharp iron. So right now, revitalize, that's why we say Umoja, they have unity.
Umoja.
They have unity, Swahili language. Enough Iron people, we don't know the language, we have studied.
This is the situation. It's only a small space, you know. So only a bed can come in, but we just want to just give it a better look than how it is right now. Right, Scanner?
Yeah. Let's give thanks for everything, you know. Keep it real, you know. So all they do now in the world is thanks. And that is real. That is a big deal, yeah.
A big deal.
Yeah.
So thanks.
Yeah.
So we have the man of try. Yeah, start up the big thing. Now start. Philip, all is well. All is well. Water, I need water. Jenna, as you're here. Jackson! Where Jackson there? Jenna, we have $2,000 here for you. From Mr. and Mrs. Shaw.
Mr. and Mrs. Shaw.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. And your food basket never empty. Love and love only. Thank you, Mrs. Shaw.
Alright, so we give thanks. Yes, so basically we are cut out a door here. Then how we can put a door for the scanner, because as I say, from that side, if you go put in a bed bed can't go in from that side. So this is the only way bed can go inside. Hopefully when time we are liquid sledgehammer the house will fall apart.
No man, firm man.
And firm.
Yeah, firm man.
Long time kitchen the house there.
No man, firm man. Long time house, I mean you scanner it now.
I say they live?
Yeah man, type.
Oh chef, one time house. Kitchen house. You know. You have hose over there, Philip? Eh? So level the hose now, screw time on the hose now, on the pipe.
Water go down there then.
Water run. How much mass in there? Son? Yeah, light parts.
That's a wait. Open our seal.
Natural.
Never know.
Natural. You need up on the program all the time.
Yeah man.
One day.
Yeah, I'm here to pass my work. We have a link him, brother. Yeah. Never know. I bet time now. We worse than that, you know. Sir. You guys see the man pass the man pass the man can come down.
Turn that side way no easy, you know.
If I tell you say I get back before I use the hilted.
Yeah, I use it.
And chop out the wall. And dig it out because it's a wall of
Put it here one gel. Put it
I was sorry when you use it on that jump out here. But yeah, go on. Yeah, man, I don't know. You see, look a small saw. I look a saw. I use it cut the wire, so. And cut it. Yeah, police. Not police. Yeah. Police.
Just that cut a while ago. Alright, so the goggles then, man. Get them. Give them the goggles then. Talpy. We have $2,000 a year for you from Mr. and Mrs. Shaw.
Mr. Shaw,
Mr. and Mrs. Shaw.
Mr. and Mrs. Shaw, wonderful love, wonderful respect, you know. Thank you very much. God bless you all. One team, one love.
Natural key.
Natural key. See that Nash?
How will I use it?
Yes. Gears up. Gears up. The gears them out. Yeah, them smoke. The mask. The mask.
I want to play with it. Come.
Mask.
The work, man, we are not here.
Two gloves alone come up. Who are going to use the gloves and key now? I'm not sure.
You have gloves? Boom. You don't want this?
Man. Who else not get no man? You have man.
One man.
Jack, sir. So Jackson, I get the man. Boom. I have a donation here for you as well. Yeah. Put it down with them, see your face, man. Mass up.
Caravan.
Yeah.
Afghan.
We have 2,000 a year for you from Mr. and Mrs. Shaw.
Mr. and Mrs. Shaw,
Yeah.
thanks and blessed, one love. Thanks.
Alright. Jackson. Yes, Jackson.
Sorry.
Put in your tools. Put in your tools. Alex, I wish you. Alright, we are this.
I want to go home. Yeah.
Yeah, go on.
Show it to the roof, oi! Show the card to the roof, you know, sir.
Jackson, put it for yourself
Show it
first.
to yourself.
And collect it in there. When I difficult time.
Hang yourself in the shop. Hang yourself in the.
Yeah, put one up.
Hang your black glass.
Yeah, thanks.
No, I don't.
Draw scanner.
Jackson, here. We have 2,000 here for you from Mr. and Mrs. Shaw.
Mr. Shaw.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Shaw. Give thanks and praise every time. Give thanks. Love every time. Huh? Yeah, every time. Bless and keep love every time. Huh? You know.
Every time. Alright.
Now get on current or natural? Come on, come on. Can't move your speed enough. A man take out the hills out, I think, no, man. Good clock.
That's when the man put on your mask. Mask.
Stone show you, man. Stone show you. I'm going stairs, I'm stone show you.
Oh.
Look at my man there, sir. Are you really want me to show you?
Good, clear.
Jack, sir. Jack, sir. We're going to donation as well from MBP. Yeah, MBP from the UK. 2,000 here for you. From MBP.
Yeah, MVP. Yeah. Give thanks and praise every time. Thanks very much. One love every time. Love every time, family.
And again as well.
Go back, it's a cut small. Cause small build cut. Pick out the corner. That's all. Pick out the corner now.
Next side.
The next corner over there, sir.
Jenna,
Pick out the
Jenna.
corner.
We have a donation here from MBP. Come. 2,000. Oh, thank you. 2005. Well, sorry, 2000 from MBP. Yeah.
Thank you very much. May the good Lord bless you and keep you safe. Love and love you. Thank you very much. MBP.
Yeah, MBP. Natural. From MBP.
Oh, MBP. Yeah. Thank you from MBP for this 2000. I really appreciate it.
Alright. Tiana. Come, Tiana. So, Tiana, I have a donation here for you. From MBP. Yeah, MBP. 235. County Doorstep put name and from MBP.
1, 2, 1, 2, 455.
From MBP. So thank you MBP.
Thank you, MB.
A black boy drive that? I can't see it.
Black boy. No, we call black boy.
You know, black boy when I park here. You call it black boy man.
Which kind of man? Come then, Chief.
Wow!
White scanner.
How much that, Kev? How much that?
Come up down your head now, scanner.
Kev, how much that?
Come and learn for the cinema.
Yes, so Anna,
Are you in my castle?
you're in your class here?
Yeah, relax.
So you have a different entrance now?
Yeah, and it's so great, you know.
Yes, different entrance here for scanner. See? So he's got a different entrance. He got a different entrance now where he can go in. TV.
The fan dead last night. The bulb dead this morning, drop out of the socket in the other sun. We like to want a socket or something.
Yeah.
And that one I get dismantled to in a minute to lock off.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, we can do it safe.
Alright, so then I'm gonna say
I've done as them, I so happy for you people. I'm not lying. That is real.
so it's a good look.
Yeah, it's gonna get a better look.
We're gonna get a better look.
Yeah.
So we start, we get a door, put on the door so we have a better entrance for you.
Yeah.
We can literally what? No, you don't have to squeeze and you can sweep up.
Oh no.
Yeah. So you do with the scanner. Yes.
One nail hole up there give me problem going.
One nail hole up there. Alright, so as I say, for anyone that's watching, you know, we're asking you for your support, you know, because we definitely want to get him one little TV. Yeah, we can put on his wall, you know, and some support we can get him. We're gonna probably definitely need ply for go right there, you know, and we're gonna need Solitex. You know, we're gonna need Solitex for the roofing, you know, and then we could just paint him, put a bed in here, you know, and a TV so he will have more space. But Scanner, this is a double bed, right?
It's like triple bed, we have broad.
Yeah, so Scanner, so you'd rather a single bed? You don't want a single bed?
I will go stay, you know. Can't use the bed money to do something else positive. You know.
So you want this bed
to stay? This bed go stay, I'm not done with me. Yeah.
So you want this bed to stay?
Yeah, this bed strong.
So you want a mattress then?
Yeah.
But you want the bed frame to stay?
Yeah.
Okay. So instead of the bed then, we'll just get a mattress?
Yeah. And that is real, instead of extend and I worry the nerves about certain things. I know that soft still, you know, but when you can't avoid it, just avoid it. Yeah.
Why, so this bed bottom is sentimental to you then?
It's solid, man.
Solid?
And the bed foot them come like giant. Look on the bed foot them.
So how long now you have this bed bottom?
Over more 4 years or more.
4 years or more?
Yeah.
And then you like it?
Yeah, man, it's solid.
Oh boy. So let me go look upon it and see where it's still like.
I know some me alone carry from but my sister had come down.
Alright, then
it's solid but it's light.
And me I think so you would have changed it, but since you say you like it, you want it to stay. Oh, Scanner, man. Scanner.
Scanner, raise up. Let us Scanner.
No, you don't have to leave it all the way up. Scanner, this one change. Come here, let me show you where I'm going. You see?
The bed alright. We don't have no problem with this bed. This bed is done, man.
Scanner.
Yeah, that bed them come nowadays.
No, man, listen up. The bed where you get, this is old, this is very old, Scanner. This is old. Yeah, this is old.
Yeah.
As you can see, somebody nailed it up. Look, see it? An old bed, this Scanner.
Yeah.
See what I go on? An old bed is from long time. I show you one bed on it why you feel like say it's a good bed. And you know wreck it, but this is very old Scanner.
Okay.
Very long time. So you need a bed base. And you need a mattress. But definitely I need a fan too.
Last night it dead.
Last night it dead?
Yeah.
So this is I work with. And this is I work with.
Yeah. When it spin, it come like an ice.
Eh?
Like an ice breather from it. And it spin, it's like an ice.
Yeah. So please we're asking, you know, for any support we can get, you know, to help out Scanner situation. As I can see, the help is all needed. And when the help is needed, the help is needed. Right here, it's needed, it's needed, it's needed. Scanner, how old are you now? Tell them how much.
I'm 56.
56.
Yeah. Born in 1967, 15th of June. And keep it real.
Keeping it jiggy.
Yeah. I want to teeth, you know, if you don't get gone, you know.
Yeah.
I have to go get that in line. My baby Esther can line me up on that. Yeah.
Line up on your teeth.
Yeah. False teeth with gold. And ivory. You know what is ivory? I want my false teeth to have ivory.
Ivory.
Yeah, and gold.
Ivory and gold.
Ivory expensive, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, ivory expensive. Yeah.
kind of, you know, so therefore, you have to clean out as well, because all them things you have to get rid of. You know?
That's my life, them have got stay, that's my life, them there. All the man hungry, man have them, you know.
What's that?
Water.
Oh, your water then?
Yeah, life. I'm log on with my life, you know, I stay with it, you know. It's 2 buckets of life, that's 2 buckets of life.
Water in them, yeah?
Yeah, life.
Yes.
Me and my life log on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The clean team ladies, them come clean out. Dash away for dash away. So, we have prefect and natural light pass there. And start the door out.
Hold the door. Right down to your chemical, dry down.
Yeah. Tell me for me.
What are you doing?
More.
Ah, good. Alright.
Natural, the video running.
Yeah.
Mix soup.
Come, the door one shift. Line up with me, call man. Look at me. Yeah. You don't see the inches of a curve point you're supposed to lay on for the boat. Good. Alright. Come on. Put your shell in now. That's one step out, you know. Another.
What is it there? Still there?
I mean, sit support. When someone will go down, look at this wire, brother. 35, man. 35. Alright. 35. Oh, it's fun. 35 on cover. 35 on cover. 35 on cover. Come, run into school. Turn from. Yeah. Good. Now my next piece of board. Now I make like sink in the boat. Straight needle. More like this too. Can find another piece, same time.
I'll tell you that. You have 4,005 here for you from MBP. Yeah. MBP from the UK.
Thank you, MVP. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. And may all the whole basket never empty, and God prosper you and your family. All extended family. Max, Mommy, Oliver and Carla, Pablo, big up yourself. We not forgot yourself. Each and every one of us, here, every love and everything. One team, dream team.
Can I wear to sleep?
I just falling on meds, you know. Not really sleep.
Tired. You're tired?
I'm over happy. I just relaxing.
You're over happy?
Yeah.
Okay. If I'm happy, that is good.
Yeah.
You're getting a real facelift. You're getting a facelift. You're getting a... Yeah. Natural.
Alright, cool. Dry now, man. Dry now. Dry. Put this up on the side. Put it on the side. Hold the door now. Now put it now. A pencil. Me pencil. The door go in flush now. One time now. Mark the side. Mark the side.
This is our natural move. Any money I work, them work. I live for chicken and my jerk. And jerk.
Mashing.
Tools. So yeah, so like, yes guys, so they're framing out the door.
Up with the door, lift up the door.
So this is the door frame, where them have frame the door. So you know, once them frame the door, then put in the column. Put in the door. You know, because you know, say, you try to get it quick and fast and get it out of the way.
What lesson now? No sure I'm doing what they call it. Think I'll cut off piece of the door soon. Yeah, you have to cut it. And slice off piece of the door. Go on. Over in the wall, if it's them too much, yeah, cut it out of her. Hold on, take it. 78. 78 and I'm looking at it from there. Think I want 2 inches of brush. Watch it. You can cut it off, man. I'm master and cut it the sand. 78. I'm going to use the little and go and clean up them places. Go. 78 and a half, come in. Light it, here go on. Light it, light it, the professional. Go and clean up this. If you do it, light it. If you do it and put, go and clean up that sucker, then put tight each other.
Can I have a different door?
You know, that's how good. That's how good. All the good people up there. Extreme up there. Yeah, right. And I'm going to put green teeth on the door.
Yeah. So guys, if you wanna sponsor, so if anyone watching wanna sponsor, scan our window as well too. You know, we can also change out this window. This is a board window, but look, just so tight. Look how tight it is, like very tight. There's an arm to squeeze through. Look at me. You see? So you cannot bring no furniture come from this way. And you definitely cannot bring no furniture come from this way because of the turn. You know? You see? From the turn, you can't bring the country. So that's why we have to change the room there.
This, you know?
Yeah, what should we do? See over there.
Oh yeah, let's give it back.
Oh, check the mic. Oh. So natural. So we're gonna need solid text to remove. I just stay so. The solid text. I'm gonna need a piece of ply to do for over there so. Nice. So basically we have to go black up the next side.
Concrete it up?
Yeah.
The
next door. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not using it.
Yeah, we're using it.
4 inch like that.
4 inch. Oh, a dozen.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Yeah, so we're gonna need to black up the door as well.
22.
Or 22 4-inch black. Yeah, so guys, we're gonna need 22 4-inch black. Cause we're gonna black out back here. Yeah. So we're gonna need 22 4-inch black to black off back this door, and we're gonna need a plyboard to seal off back there, you know, and then we're gonna need Salitex. Yeah, so we're gonna need Salitex for the roofing as well too, or ply. We're gonna need ply for the roofing. And if anyone, hold on, let me just come away from the guys. So if anyone, you know, want to sponsor my window, we can change this window and put in a different window here for him. You know, if anyone watching I want to sponsor a window for him, you know, we can change out this board window.
Door. Come in. Come in. 2 before. Come in door now. Door has some inside. Door has some inside. Inside door has some
Inside?
Inside. You can't swing outside. Now buck on this. I will come and say buck.
Okay.
Stop the door. Stop the door. Stop the door. Stop the door. Come, hold it, turn on. This one dig off, this is supposed to hold the door, this is supposed to go against the concrete. A big 2 before, give me 2 before. At least a big 2 before. Don't come with my toe screw.
Perfect.
Please go for that side, I will put it. 2 concrete screw! Come on. Drill. Light up coming up. Right up there, light up. Come in. Pull the boat. Let's show you. Mix up this. No man, this is clear. It's a concrete alone. It's all I eat today. Spill off a little piece. Chip it off for a second. come. Now I'm brewing a natural. I want to spend a seat for this one, man. Come on. Look about it. Put them this one is the bone. How was it? I shall play something and I like the power. Yeah, man, see what it is. How much did they run?
So we want to thank our extended family. You know, we thank them so much. Thank them so much. You know. So giving scanner a quick makeover. You know, guys, so we're giving scanner a quick makeover, and this is it. You know, giving him a really quick makeover. You know, so as I say, if anyone want to sponsor him a window, you know, because we're gonna block up this door, so we're gonna buy some blocks to block up this. We're gonna need a ply frame off there, and we're gonna need a solid text for the roofing. You know, so if anyone wanna help out this situation, help out Scanner, see him himself, you know.
Yeah, dream team doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so we want to give thanks to Celia as well, Celia, big up Celia from the UK as well too. Sure.
Yes, Scanner.
Thank you now to our extended family. We thank you so much, you know, to start off this journey. So we can do this quick. So it's not a long thing. So I'm say the main project, you know, we're gonna start out the ocean.
I know the pass in the way. The boat, the gum. Yeah, by about half inch. Half inch.
And guys, so also remember we have Mother Teresa who already started our project. Mother Teresa here, you know, already started our project. You know, still here, we're looking for support to finish off our project as well. So we move it stage by stage and step by step.
But that side of like it one, we look a bit cheap out. And the concrete, yeah, over that side I want a little bit cheap out, and over that I can go up more. That's why it's about now, I see. Sorry. Tell me what I want. This has to move again. Give me a minute.
Scanner, watch this scanner.
Come. That's the floor is high, man. The floor is high. But I can dig out a little bit more. Can you see some on the side, yeah? Where you choose it up? Use it and chip it out, look at it and send it up. So I don't want to space to go up. Alright. Ease out back then. God, messy. What are messy much into the... I am doing it now. Eh? Yeah. Alright now, I'll show you.
Big. Huh? What's it up?
When I sit down and consider when I'm retired, I would like to go around French Town look up all the people them who used to work, even them don't even work, and take up them name and send them, go back them, get them little pension. And little pension a month and time and them feel comfortable, you know? At least them feel okay, you know? And that night, you know, what's called, yes.
Yeah, that's a good aim.
Yes, but they get them little pension, you feel happy, you know?
Yeah.
When you have them work to college, you feel so happy. What?
I'm trying to make it look so easy. Just like that. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, come in. Come on. Not talking about this. We see the first we turn over the bed and them something before. Look at it in the effort.
Yeah, man, oh chef. Bring it man with 2 stones.
Oh,
bring it and put 2 stones.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
Stuck it in there, so.
Stuff in there. You see next one.
Next one, maybe. Yeah, younger than is.
Hello.
A Kenny, you think they know him?
Yeah. Kenya.
Ghana, Kenya.
Large.
Large.
God, you know huge, you know, large.
I'm to Ghana.
Ghana too.
Ghana too.
Yeah. All over Africa right now.
That's the zoo where them come from, you know.
All over Africa watch right now, wow. All over Africa right now, show them.
That's the zoo where them come from, you know.
All of them tuning in.
Zulu tribe, you know.
More material you got there?
No, that done, you know. We'll get some more. We'll get some more.
It's a funny address. It's the shape and drive for it.
You can finger them. Now the oil will left.
Can I finger?
Let's see, man.
Right, bro.
Oh, should I need to water for that over there?
Yeah, man. What hit?
Yeah, water, we need to wet it.
Put outside and build up outside.
You're not gonna show it to them all in natural.
No, them all in one.
Oh, come on, mix up and
Yeah, man.
give me water. I tell you something.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.